This is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. If you have a S70 that you want to get the key barrel out of, you go inside the trunk and look at this piece right here. You got to pry that piece out, and then the key barrel will slide up this way. You don't have to take nothing else out. I use a screwdriver to start working it out. Once I get it coming out, I grab it with a needle nose pliers or pliers and pull it all the way out. Pull that out. Get the key out of it and lift it up this way. There you have it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.